Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And after update, your audio and your sound is not working. Windows 11. So guys, how to fix? So I will give you step-by-step solutions. So you just follow it. So first, reset your Windows service. So click to start, type services, and right click to run as administrator. Then press A for the audio. Windows Audio, sorry, Windows Audio. This is a Windows Audio. Just double click to open. Stopped. Click startup type. So select the automatic. Okay. Then apply. Then start. Then click on OK. Yeah. Then audio endpoint builder. So select this and you can see the right hand side, left hand side's restart options. So click to restart it. Okay, and then close it. Then next method, reinstall the audio driver, most important. So right click to Windows icon and click on device manager. So audio, select this, right click, update driver, and then close it. Okay. Yeah, sound. So select Realtek audio, right click, update, update. Okay, so already installed. Okay, then right click, property, driver, and click on rollback driver. Okay, and then close it. Then next, run Windows troubleshooter. So click to start, setting, then system, scroll down. This is a troubleshoot options, so click on it. Other troubleshoot, or click on audio. Okay, and then it is done, and then close it. And guys, last and very important, select your sound or your audio. So click to start, type control panel. Okay, then select the view by category and hardware and sound. Then click on sound. Okay, so you can see no audio installed. So if not showing here, and if 2 3 devices connect to your system, your laptop and desktop, you which one do you play? So select this and then set default. Okay, set default. Suppose you have a speaker and you have a Bluetooth speaker, so which is you have to play everything, so you have to set this and set default. Okay, yeah, and then you can also play this testing and like this. Okay, and before doing that you have to restart your system and then you check and come to control panel and sound and set to default, because you are follow all the method. After that, all the methods apply for your restart. System restart is compulsory, mandatory, you can say. So after that you have to set. Okay, yeah, after restart. So please comment me if your issue resolved. If not, so I will support you and I will make another video. And please you try to share your model number in the comment. I will try this for this and all. Okay, thank you.